Decor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and give this video a like. So guys, I'm going to show you two things that I've been working on. One, I'm going to show you a simple DIY that I did with some things that I already had in my house. And two, I'm going to show you how I decorated my apartment window to give it a little flair and get ready for Christmas. I'm getting a little ready for Christmas a little bit early. I typically decorate after not after Christmas. How you gonna decorate after Christmas? I typically decorate after Thanksgiving, but me and my boyfriend are planning a trip to go to Arizona to see his beautiful mom. So we're gonna be there Wednesday for Thanksgiving. We're gonna be there Wednesday, Thanksgiving, Friday, Saturday, and heading back. So by the time I get back, it's gonna be like December the 30th. I'm just joking. Maybe December the 2nd. And I was like, let me add little simple touches here and there. I'm not ready to decorate my mantle or put up the Christmas tree yet. So I'm just gonna be adding little things as the week goes on. And then I might be decorating a little, just a tiny bit little later. But please continue watching. I will have so many decor videos coming out for you. So continue watching. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about in this video is my DIY with things I already had in my home. So if you can see here, the two picture frames. I'm sure many of us have picture frames in our house. We're like, what can we do with them? So I hope this brings a little inspiration to you of some things that you can do, a simple DIY when you just, want to add a little more Christmas fest to your house. So the first one that you see here, what I did is a picture frame I already had in my house. I took out the picture and I was like, how can I spruce this up? Give it a little more Christmas feeling to it. So what I did was I have extra garland, how your garland just falls off. So I said, what can I do? So I just took the garland and I had extra ribbon from over the years. It's that plaid ribbon that everyone's been talking about, but I've had this for many years. And also the backing, if you can see the backing of it, it is just brown wrapping paper that I've already had in my house for many years. And you can also use like the wrapping paper that comes in your Amazon package. Oops, I'm an Amazon person. The Amazon, you get an Amazon package and it comes with a brown paper and it's kind of crumbled up already, so that might add a special effect to it as well. So I'm just stay tuned for my decor videos because I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put these at. I might give you a little hint right there. And then the second one, I was like this year I'm shooting browns a lot, and I'm trying to go nostalgic, obviously using my old decorations that I have for many years, putting them up but putting them somewhere new. And I'm really feeling a lot of browns. I have something I'm going to show you, but continue watching. Let me stop talking. So this picture frame right here is an old Christmas card that I used to put in this frame. I have many old Christmas cards that I have, but I decided to use this one because I like the saying, what it says. It says, from one merry home to another, happy holidays. So I just think it's just nice and lovely. So you could find some old Christmas cards or something that you could add into the frame for DIY to give your home a little, Christmas vibe. And also at the bottom, I also found another garland that just fell off a pick, and I just glue gunned it to the bottom of the picture frame. Hopefully when I take it off, it doesn't leave any damage. But I won't be super upset because this picture frame I got from the Dollar Tree store when it was $1.25. Not anymore. And so I'm not gonna be too upset and that. But this one I did not get from the Dollar Tree store. It's one of my favorite frames. I love it. I got it from Home Goods or Ross, and I just love it. And so there shouldn't be any damage to this one. So I can't wait to show you guys where I'm gonna put those, and it's gonna be giving a little Christmas fest to my house on a budget. a DIY. Now let's get to my second thing I would like to show you guys. How I decorated my apartment window with a little fall still in there and bringing out Christmas. So like I said, I'm going to keep touches of fall until I return back home or like throughout the week. And I'm not going to take down my fall sign until like we get back home, and then I'll put up a Christmas sign. So enough talking, let's get to it. So here you guys, I'm showing you how I decorated my window. First, I would like to give props to my amazing boyfriend for cleaning the glass window like a pro. I started off with a string of lights, added some trees and pine cones. The trees that I had for many years are from the Dollar Tree store. The pine cones are from Hobby Lobby and some that I found at the park. The garden picks that you see fill off garden stems that I've already had, and I just put the garland sticks inside the light strings. And I'm keeping up my fall sign, but slowly adding in some Christmas spirit. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas decorate DIY video. Comment down below if you already started adding touches of Christmas to your home, or you're already done with Christmas decorating. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.